Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make egg tofu tomyam soup. Hope you like it. Hot and sour soup. With its unique flavor that is sour and appetizing, spicy but not dry, instantly awakens the taste buds and increases appetite. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: abalone mushrooms, egg tofu, coriander, celery. Wash and chopped coriander. Once coriander is sprinkled into the soup, it is like casting magic, releasing its unique aroma and adding a touch of freshness and layers to the soup. The main reason for peeling celery is that its skin is rough and its fibers are hard, which may affect the taste and digestion if eaten directly. By peeling the skin, the tender and crisp part of the celery can be retained, making it taste more delicate and easier for the body to absorb its rich nutrients. Remove egg tofu from packaging and slice it. Egg tofu, with its delicate and tender taste and rich egg flavor, has become a gentle delicacy on the table. Its taste is mild but delicious. It can be a standalone dish or harmoniously blended with other ingredients to show its unique flavor charm. Wash and squeeze dry abalone mushrooms. Pour water into the pot and add tomyam spicy seasoning powder to boil. You can use your favorite brand of tomyam hot and sour seasoning powder. I use Thai hot and sour soup seasoning powder. Add abalone mushrooms. The cooking time of abalone mushrooms depends on their size and cooking method. Generally speaking, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to stir-fry or cook in soup after slicing, and it may take 10 to 15 minutes to cook the whole mushroom to ensure it is fully cooked and tender. Cook the celery slices for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are bright green and crisp tender but still have some toughness. Add egg tofu. 5 to 8. Cook the egg tofu for about 5 to 8 minutes until it is fully heated through and has a more tender texture. The hot and sour egg tofu soup is ready and can be served. Garnish with celery leaves and coriander. Thai hot and sour soup, with its unique Southeast Asian style, has conquered the taste buds of countless diners. Its sourness comes from the freshness of lime and the natural acidity of tomatoes, which makes people refreshed. Its spiciness comes from the passion of chili and lemongrass, igniting every corner of the mouth. The soup combines the salty and fresh taste of fish sauce and the fragrance of various herbs, forming a complex and three-dimensional flavor layer. Every mouthful of soup is full of surprises, and you can feel the warmth of the tropical sun and the depth of the ocean. Whether it is an appetizer or a staple food, Thai hot and sour soup can become a star on the table with its distinctive personality and rich taste, which makes people have endless aftertaste and can't stop. Egg tofu, a dish that combines the essence of eggs and tofu, not only has a delicate taste, but is also a treasure trove of nutrition. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential amino acids, while tofu is a high-quality source of plant protein and rich in soy isoflavones, which are beneficial to health. In addition, the calcium and iron in egg tofu are essential for the health of bones and blood. It is also rich in B vitamins, which contribute to energy metabolism and the normal functioning of the nervous system. In short, egg tofu is not only delicious, but also an ideal food that takes into account nutrition and health, suitable for people of all ages. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Egg tofu is a mild and nutritious delicacy for the elderly. Its delicate taste and easy digestion are very suitable for the digestive system of the elderly. At the same time, egg tofu is rich in protein, calcium and vitamins, which helps maintain the bone health and body function of the elderly, making it an ideal health food. Commercially available egg tofu is usually pre-cooked and can be eaten directly or further heated and cooked. If you make your own egg tofu, you need to make sure it is fully solidified and cooked through, usually by steaming or frying. Before eating, you should check that the center of the egg tofu is heated through to ensure food safety. The origin of egg tofu can be traced back to traditional Chinese cooking wisdom. It cleverly combines two ingredients, eggs and tofu. The creation of this food aims to combine the rich nutrition of eggs with the delicate taste of tofu to form a new food experience. Over time, egg tofu has gradually evolved into a popular dish that is not only common on family tables, but also widely appears in various restaurants, becoming a part of Chinese food culture. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.